Hi, it's Hannah and Lou with WTI.
Do you have a dog like Lou here that needs a little extra stimulation during the day? Especially if you're not there, you want them to be occupied and happy and using their brain. And this interactive food toy by TLKNG has done that for our little Lou. So it's very nice and adjustable. There are 2 holes and you can adjust the size of the hole based on the size of treat you want or how much you want to come out or how hard you want it to be for them to get the treats out. Super easy to fill. It just unscrews on the top. You add food or treats, whatever you want, and you put it down and your dog will have a blast. I am shocked at how long this toy keeps him occupied. There are times when he comes up and I can tell he wants to play and I just don't have the time right then. And so I can get this toy out and it really does calm him down. But it is so cute to see him playing with it. He pounces on it, he rolls it, and you can tell he is so excited when that little food comes out. So if you have a dog that you are needing to be entertained when you are not available to entertain them, this is a perfect toy for them.
But that's just our point of view.